Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Sigida Naqlis here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to learn letter H, its sound and vocabulary words. But first of all, before starting this letter, we will try to write it and I will teach you the formation of letter H. Start from the top line, you could say, but I will use here start from the top line. Come straight down, jump down, make a loop. It will make small H. The letter name is H and the sound of H is hand, hand, hat. The hand wears a hat. The hand wears a hat. Now tell me, what is the hand wearing? Yes, you are right. Hand is wearing a hat. Now tell me, what's the color of hand? Now tell me, what color is the hat? It's blue. Oh my God. Very good. It's time to mime. Put your hand closer to your mouth and say hand, 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 house. It's time to say goodbye to you. Allah Hafiz.